Hi everyone, it's Julian from VAXLY Real Estate Services, and today I want to show you a real amazing villa. Here in Polop, 5 minutes from the city center, 10 minutes from the sea. This villa has 188 square meters of living space, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a private swimming pool and a parking for 2 cars. As we enter the house, we step into a stunning living room with beautiful views of the sea and the mountains. The living room is connected to the kitchen, which is fully equipped with high-quality materials that are included in the price of the property. There is also several exits leading to the private terrace with the pool. Of course, there is also a small storage room with a bathroom, which makes staying on this floor as comfortable as convenient as possible. We move up to the second floor. Here we have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. We enter to the master bedroom, which features its own bathroom and a small walk-in wardrobe area. There is also access to a private balcony that belongs exclusively to this bedroom. Further along is the guest bedroom with 2 beds. You can easily adapt it to a suite unit, and of course every room on this floor offers beautiful sea views. There is also another bedroom at the end of the hallway, along with a bathroom of the same high quality. This home offers exceptional comfort and convenience. It's fully equipped with an integrated air conditioning system for both heating and cooling. As well, the underfloor heating throughout has been designed to provide maximum comfort and ease to your everyday living. There is also the option to install pool heating, allowing you enjoy to swimming all year around. This amazing property is 535,000 euro. If you want more information about this amazing property, please to contact us. Thanks for coming today. Don't forget to subscribe and see you then. Bye.